Here's an easy way to find the 4 aces in the deck of 52 cards here. What you do is you deal out 4 stacks just like that, or you can have the spectator deal out 4 stacks, and then go through and take each stack and deal them into 4 piles, just like so. Okay, I'll take the 3rd stack. And finally, the 4th stack. Now, like I said, either the magician can do this or a spectator can do this. And once you finish dealing every 4 stack into 4 piles, you're left with the 4 aces. Now, this is a very easy trick. It sets you up so you can find the 4 aces and then do a 4 ace trick. You're using a completely regular deck of cards, like so. And the setup is just to find the 4 aces, put them on the bottom of the deck, just like that. So you have the 4 aces on the bottom, and then all you're doing is you're just having the spectator make 4 piles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is the bottom of the deck. This is where the aces are on the bottom. So you have pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, pile 4. Start at pile 1, and then just go through and deal 4 piles. Deal all the cards into 4 piles. Take pile 2, start at 1. Just like so. And then you repeat this. Pile 3. And the spectator can do this. It's completely self-working. And then pile 4. And before I deal out pile 4, I like to just kind of straighten these up if they're a little messy. And then you're just dealing out all the cards into 4 stacks, just like that, and you're left with the 4 aces on top, one on top of each pile. And like I said, then you're ready. You can do a 4 ace card trick routine, and it's just a completely regular deck of cards.